Today we are just riding around before giving her a bath. Luna is super dirty. We need to give her a bath. Hello YouTube, so we are back with another vlog. Today we are just riding around before giving her a bath. Luna is super dirty, we need to give her a bath. So before giving her a bath, I just took her out. We'll do a small lap around the village and then we'll give her a bath or a shower, whatever you call it. Also, I need to find the adjuster screw for this lever. I don't know how I lost it. So yeah, I'll go to the shop and check if they can give me something that fits here. Currently I can't adjust the clutch because of this nut. This fell out somewhere and the adjuster nut fell out somewhere and the clutch is not adjustable anymore for now. So yeah, we are just doing a small lap around the village to the shop. I forgot my glasses today. Oh my God. We'll go left from here. Riding with the kickstand down. Stand. Oh yeah. I've talked about Luna with you. I have showed what mods I have done on her, but I forgot to tell about the fog lights. These are the HG Mini Drive with they are okay for the city. I won't say they are enough bright for the highway, but it gets the job done. I haven't talked about myself with you guys. So my name is Anish Ghosh. I'm from a village somewhere near Kolkata, from West Bengal, around 50-60 km away from Kolkata. By profession, I'm a software developer. Luna is my second, if you say like my own, this is my second bike. So my first bike was 2011 Discover 150. I got it like used. After listening this, many people may be hurt because Luna is also used. It is not brand new. I got her when she was 8 months old, around 6,000 on the auto. I got a deal on her, so I picked her up. Yeah, this is my story. How do I fell in love with bikes? That's a question some people may have, or some people may not have. But let me share you the story. So basically, when I was around 4, my dad got his Hero Honda CB Deluxe, a 100cc bike, a commuter bike. So from childhood, I played on it. I grew up while playing on it. My dad taught me riding on that bike when I was 13-14 years old maybe. And when I was around 16, that was the first time I was in 10th standard. I was able to take the bike out for a ride. Before that, for 2 years, my dad used to teach me riding on the playground. And my mom is super cautious about bikes. She doesn't like bikes. Yet I am riding it. My mom even doesn't like this one. Like I'm talking in the camera while riding. She thinks it's like very dangerous. But yeah, they are parents. Their job is to care for it. So yeah, don't get frustrated with it. Just give them enough reason not to worry. Like I ride very cautious when I'm around them, I'm with them. Like my mom is on the pillion seat. I'm not going over 30, so she trusts me. That's why I can ride freely. Open to my ears. Trying to stay as natural as I can. I don't know if these videos are becoming boring. This is the second video. I don't know if this will be boring to watch or what. I don't have a script or anything for this video. I'll probably add the washing footage with it to make it more fun. But yeah, till then I'm just documenting the ride. So yeah, as I said, I'm a software developer and I'm on my work from Monday to Friday, so I don't have much time to record, edit and all. And on Saturday I have some housework, you know how life is. I try to do a small loop on every Sunday, no matter how long is it. Yeah, so I'm just documenting the loop. now let the video a little more enjoyable, but while being cautious. Roads are not that smooth, so riding fast on them is hard because you have to constantly watch out for the potholes. Also, the cyclists making a U-turn wherever they want.